Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I wanted to show you how you can make a bag or maybe even a pencil case. So pretty much any kind of bag where you could put anything you like. So it's really easy and it's pretty useful, I would say. And there's also a lot of freedom that you can use your own patterns or colors. So yeah, I wanted to show you how you can do that. So it's really simple. You do need a sewing machine. So if you want to see how it's made, stay tuned. So you're only going to need a couple of things to make your bag. So first some fabric, any color or pattern as I mentioned, then also scissors, a zipper, then a ruler of course, we're going to need that one, a regular pencil, then a couple of pins as well, a piece of paper, and of course a sewing machine. So you're going to need 3 patterns, so one for the complete size that you want to have at the end, so that's our first one. Then you're going to use one for the size of your smaller pocket, and then lastly the leftover piece for the zipper. So yeah, in my case, my sizes are 14 times 25 centimeters. My smaller pocket is 10 times 25 centimeters. And my small piece is 4 times 8 centimeters in total. So you need to cut these out and you can put them on your fabric and also cut it out. So yeah, also as well, for this piece you need 1 piece. For this one you need 4 same size pieces. And for the smallest you need only 2. So here are my pieces. You see, 1 for the pocket, so 4 for the main part, and finally the zipper parts. So when you get all of the cutting done, you can get on to the next step pretty much. So we first make the outer parts. So you need 1 big piece and your pocket, so lay it over one another, and it's important that you have a clean edge. That means that you've got to fold it over, so you basically want it to neat and clean. So yeah, you just fold it over a bit like this and iron over it. So this way it stays folded and you can sew it on there much easier. And you can just put it on there on your main piece, so the way you want it, and then just sew it on there pretty much. So help yourself with a couple of pins. It's better if you begin at the sides because then you know it's all aligned and well. So yeah, just secure it with a couple of pins. That makes things a whole lot easier. So yeah, just align the outer sides and you're pretty much good to go. So now we're going to sew with the sewing machine. So you're just going to go around about 1 centimeter around, and that's pretty much it. It's important when you're on a corner that you pick the foot up but leave the needle in the fabric and just change the direction of your side. So your pocket is done, and this is indeed a fake pocket, but it makes the bag a bit prettier and that way it kind of stands out a bit more. So yeah, we can get on to our next step. So you need the 2 smallest pieces and your zipper too. So you'll fold the pieces in half and then a bit to the inside. So yeah, you're gonna do each side so that we have clean edges again, and then in the middle comes the zipper. And when you have that secured with pins, you can sew it on the machine. So this is what you should get. Now we're going to put it together. So first what you're going to do is put the outer part, so the part you want to have on the outside, you need to put it down showing upward, and the zipper goes with the inside part showing up. So yeah, that goes on the edge, and the outer part goes on top, so on top of all of that. And then all you need to do is simply secure this with some pins. So yeah, make sure that's really good so that it doesn't get messed up. And when you get it secured, basically all you need to do is just sew along this line. So this should be your result at this point, and now we need an addition here on the outside to secure it. Now we'll take the outside piece of our other side. So we'll turn the done piece around so that the inner part is looking upwards. And now we're going to need this piece with the inner side up. And then again, the outside part is going to go on top. When you're done, you can see that on the inner side you have the zipper and the lighter sides. So yeah, the here the darker outer side. So what you need to do next is really not difficult. So yeah, you're just basically gonna go through here one more time. So first iron it and then sew one more time through, just like on the other side. So when you're done, it should look pretty neat and beautiful. So I hope you can see how straight this is, and yeah, how good it hid the zipper ends. Now we need to sew the outer side, so you're gonna turn it to the inner side and sew it that way onto one another. Try to be as precise as possible and then secure it. So when it's secured, you can get on to sewing. Watch your corners, don't get the needle out of the fabric. when you finish this step, you should get something like this. Now you have the two leftover sides, so you need to sew these two as well. But yeah, when you do that, take care that you actually leave a bit of space over here. So you'll sew here until about 1/3 of the side. Yeah, and then the same thing on the other side, so that you can turn the fabric around and get to the outer sides outside. I secured it and we can go on. Same thing on the other side. So this is what it should look like, and you should have an opening in the middle and just turn it through the hole around and get it out here. Now just fix the corners. You can help yourself with a pencil, of course. So here's our bag and our end result. You only need to see that you close the hole in the middle, and that should be your last step as well. So you could use a sewing machine or do it by hand. I'll be using the sewing machine just so you can see how exactly you could do that. Secure it again, but fold it on the inside first to hide the ugly side, so that you have the clean edge that we were talking about. So along this line, and now our hole is closed and you are pretty much done. This is what it looks like now. I can open it to show you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to post any comments in the comment section, to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can also check out other videos, and I'll see you in our next one. Have a great day. Bye!